Hello everybody, this is Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com, my website, and welcome to this weekly analysis for the week beginning 18th of October 2020. And I'm changing the format just a little bit. Normally I do a live Zoom webinar on a Sunday evening before the markets open. However, I'm moving to a YouTube format, which will enable me to have the link and be able to share that link with people in our group, or various groups, or anyone that should ask for it. And if after watching this you have any comments or questions, just leave them below the comment section in YouTube and I will reply and get back to you. Okay, so what's going on with the markets lately? Anybody that's looking at charts on a regular basis, if you're a day trader, what you've been seeing is everything is kind of like a bouncing ball, up and down. And that's okay if you're just in and out for the day. You can make 1, 2, 3 good trades on a particular currency or commodity. I know some of you who follow me have been doing that and doing it successfully, and that's great. However, for a swing trader like myself who prefers to go with a trend, it's been quite challenging to find a trend, to see any clear direction with some of the currencies and commodities. But that's the way it is right now. It won't always be this way, okay? We have quite a few big issues, geopolitical issues around the world that are causing this extreme volatility in some cases. We've got the presidential election in the US coming up very, very soon. And then we have a possible stimulus package for the US economy of $2 trillion, which needs to be voted on. They've been arguing about that for a couple of months in the Congress in the United States. And then we've got Brexit, of course, which is just seems to be never ending. And they will hopefully come to a resolution soon. And then, of course, the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, which is starting to increase dramatically in Europe, with some countries starting lockdowns again. Okay, so as these things develop and unfold and we find solutions, then the markets will be more, what shall we say, normal. Okay, so let's look at the charts and see what we've got for the time being. First of all, gold. Okay, gold is pretty easy to talk about actually, because it's basically trading in a range, which I mentioned this last Sunday also, between 1889 and 1918. And below 1889, the bears will take control and possibly push it down to 1851. Above 1918, and the bulls would take control and possibly push it higher to 1970. Okay, but that hasn't been happening for the last 3 weeks of trading. It's been in this pretty much in this same range of 1889 to 1918. Okay, broke above it a little bit and broke below it a little bit, but it stayed pretty much in that range. And the reason being, there's enough long-term investors in gold believing that gold will continue to move up and the price will increase and we'll get back to maybe the 2,000 and above price range. So there's enough buyers in the long-term situation that are keeping gold fairly stable, although it's under pressure from the US dollar. As the now it's fluctuating on the strength and weakness of the US dollar. As the dollar increases in strength, that puts pressure on gold, but the bulls are maintaining their hold for the time being. That's what we're seeing, is just a fluctuation between gold and the US dollar. But if that stimulus package is approved, then we'll see gold will move up dramatically. And we've kind of been expecting that for a while, but it hasn't been approved, hasn't been voted on yet. You know, the Democrats and Republicans having their little spit spat about this and that, but it will come. Okay, they need that in the U.S. economy, so it will come. So that we're probably likely to continue to see this consolidation range of trading for gold during this coming week. All right, so that will be good for you day traders that are able to get in early. Okay, maybe around 1890, 1892, 1900. I opened a buy on Friday at 1901, and I expect to see that move back up to about 1912, 1913, possibly 1918, and then I will likely exit with profit there and see what happens. Just have to take it one day at a time. So that's gold. Then the New Zealand US, now I can go a little bit quicker. The currencies are pretty easy to talk about. No trade, with this up and down, the strategy that I use shows me it's neutral on the New Zealand US. I do have a bearish signal on the AUD US, but it needs to pull back. Okay, it's already dropped quite a bit on Friday. Let it pull back just a little bit on Monday, and then you can go short at 0.7103. That would be a sell limit. And the pound US, just forget about it. For me anyway, I'm just not interested in all of that volatility. It's up and down really a lot. And Friday Boris Johnson came out and said the UK should prepare for a no-deal Brexit. And that is going to devastate the UK economy if that happens. But then, over the weekend they say, well, okay, well let's start talking again. So there's just extreme volatility with the pound and the US. And for me, there's other things you can trade. I would just rather wait till they get their situation sorted out. So no trade on the pound US. USD CAD short. Entry price 1.3266. Okay, so that would be about where it is right now, actually. Yeah. And just wait till see how it opens on Monday, or actually you could go short on market open, because that's about where it is now. It's at 1.3183. So the entry price would be just a little bit above that. Yeah. In fact, let me see here. 131. Oh, no. Okay. I see what I was looking at here. Yeah, let this pull back, because it did on Thursday. Came right back to the 20-day moving average, and it could possibly do that again if we see strength, the US dollar strengthening a little bit on Monday. I would wait. So that would be a sell limit at 1.3266. Okay, right there on the 20-day moving average. And if it comes back up there, then go short, and then follow it back down to here, where it ended up on Thursday. Okay, so a sell limit on the USD CAD at 1.3266. And the US dollar Swiss franc, okay, short at 0.9140, which is right about there. That one I would short on market open. Monday morning, short the US dollar Swiss franc, 0.9140. Okay, and then the couple of minor pairs here. We got the odd CAD, I believe I was looking at. Yeah, this is definitely bearish. Okay, you see the nice trend there. Short that one, it would be a sell limit. Entry price 0.9363. And I think I got a trade on the odd New Zealand. Yeah, nice looking bearish movement here. Okay, so short this one on the the 1.0737. Okay, so that would be a sell limit. Okay, it would need to pull back quite a bit to get your entry on that one. So that's the odd New Zealand, sell limit 1.0737. Euro CAD short at 1.5456, which is right where it is now. So short, go short on the market open on Monday morning. Short the Euro CAD. And the Euro AUD, I don't think I have anything on that one. Euro New Zealand, nope, no trade on that. Euro pound, no trade. Look at the volatility with the Euro pound. Wow, look at these huge long pin bars. just a tremendous amount of volatility with the euro pound, so no trade on that one. Pound New Zealand, yeah, we must talk about the pound New Zealand. As you, if anybody listening follows me, you know it's my favorite currency pair. But because of the volatility with the pound, I'm going to say no trade. We even had a doji on Friday and somewhat of a doji on Thursday, and you know, a green candle, red candle, green candle. Oh. This is not doing what it should normally do. I love this one because it trends so well. When it goes up, it goes up. When it goes down, it goes down. But you know, all of this sideways movement here, this is the start of the bullish run. And I was really excited a couple of weeks ago to get in on this, but now it's just gone totally weird. Okay, so better be cautious. It's a good one, and it will perhaps continue its bullish move up, and if it does that, then I'll give you the signal and we will get in. But it has a long way to go up if it starts again. But for Monday and for my outlook for this upcoming week, I'm saying no trade on the pound New Zealand. And lastly, the pound AUD. Nice little bullish run starting here, okay. After some consolidation in here, it's been on a bullish run for a while. Had this consolidation, now starting to make the move again. So I would say buy limit at 1.8191. Okay, and that pretty well wraps it up, guys. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for being here. And again, if you have any comments or questions, just leave them below this video and I will get back to you. Enjoy your week. Have a great week of trading. And as always, protect your capital. Use good risk money management. Don't be greedy. Trade small. Don't try to force the market. These are crazy times. Okay? Just be cautious. Let the market come to you. Okay? Have a good week, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.